I didn't see you there. Hi there, thanks for your interest in joining Snapask. We're really excited and thankful that many tutors are now joining our mission to empower more students to learn confidently. Oh, an application. You may ask, what is the process of tutor approvals and why is there a waitlist for me to get approved as a tutor? Let us walk through the process together. Our team member manually processes each and every application to ensure that all documents and credentials are valid. If you don't have credentials, sorry. We go through a very stringent process to vet through every tutor and make sure they are qualified enough to teach students. We segment the tutors to match every student's need. Oh, thank you. Now you have got approved, what's next? As students ask questions on Snapask, you will receive a notification. But always remember that the end goal is to guide students and not just provide answers. Here we have our team member reviewing every session that students and tutors go through. This is to ensure that the students get appropriate support and guidance that they need. We now have over 35,000 tutors supporting over 400,000 students in their learning journey. We look forward to empower more students and you can make a difference.